How to change routes on Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily change your change your routes on Google Maps. So let's just begin. First off, you can start by going over to Google. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and select your start destination. So I'll just zoom in here. I'll just drop a pin. Let's say if I want to go to this place right here, let's say airport for now. Long press on this to drop a pin. Tap on directions down below. Now select a start location. So I'll just tap on choose start location and choose from map. Now I'll just go over here and I'll select a random street. Let's do this one and then tap on OK at the top right. It will show you the entire map and different alternatives as well. So as you can see here, it will show the 43 minutes. That's the best route, but if you want to change routes, you can just tap on either one of them and easily change your routes. And if you want some external routes, in some cases, Google Maps will allow you to drag your entire route and change it as well, just like so. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.